The future of electrifying performance. As the automotive industry embraces electrification, BMW M is poised to lead the charge into the future of high-performance driving. The recently unveiled BMW i4 M50, the first fully electric M car, demonstrates the brand's commitment to developing electrified vehicles that deliver the same exhilarating performance and driving dynamics that M cars are renowned for. With its instant torque delivery, impressive range, and signature M handling, the i4 M50 ushers in a new era for the M series, proving that sustainability and performance are not mutually exclusive. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of the ultimate driving machine. For over 5 decades, the BMW M series has captivated driving enthusiasts with its unwavering commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. From the legendary M1, which set the stage for what was to come, to the electrifying i4 M50, a testament to BMW's forward-thinking approach in the electric vehicle market, M cars have consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, delivering unparalleled performance on both the road and the racetrack. Setting new benchmarks for the industry, the M series has garnered numerous awards and accolades, solidifying its place in automotive history. The M badge is more than just a symbol, it's a promise. A promise of quality, excellence, and a driving experience that is truly unique. A promise of exhilarating performance, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology that ensures every drive is unforgettable. The driving experience in an M series car is second to none, offering a perfect blend of comfort, control, and excitement. As BMW continues to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive technology, the M series remains at the forefront of this evolution. The future of the M series promises to be even more thrilling than its storied past, with advancements in electric and autonomous driving technologies. The legend of the ultimate driving machine lives on, inspiring future generations of car enthusiasts and setting the standard for what a performance car should be.